Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is going to be a quick tutorial of how I made this U-part wig. I started off by connecting the two ends of the bundle together. That way, if I end up cutting the hair, I'll be left with a long piece of hair rather than two sets. I ended up using 2.5 bundle of Afro kinky hair that I got a couple years back from AliExpress for this hairstyle. Also, to see a full list of the items that I used to make the wig, do check one of my short videos. As I get near to the end of the cap, I then start to sew one set of the hair track, as you can see. To the end and back until it meets the second piece, which I then connect together and carry on sewing. I'll repeat this for all corners. This is so that the wig isn't bumpy on the corners and it lays flat.
What you're doing now. Better now we can coast.
This part I got a small measure to help me identify the middle part of the wig so that I can mark it to know where the U part will lie, and also to use it as a guide when sewing the front part of the wig. Now I'm just cutting the part of the cap that I don't need anymore. I then decided to sew in 2 clips at the front on each corner of the wig to use when it comes to installing the wig. And I particularly like these clips because it makes the wig stay flat and secured throughout. This is how the wig looks like with the 2 clips sewed in. My next video is going to be how I install this U-part wig. Do stay tuned, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Blessings.